Hi guys, welcome back to Chiku Chiku, where you can learn Mandarin and Tamil casually with us. Alright Gwen, what are you going to teach today?
Okay, today I'm gonna to teach you how to say what, why, and when. In Chinese, what is 什么?
Shenme. What is Shenme?
It's
So if I want to ask you anything, I can just say Shenme.
什么, but after the word 什么, maybe you need to add some sentence to make it a like question mark or a statement.
Okay.
Okay, then I will teach you how to say why.
Why?
为什么?
WuiShenme.
为什么?
WuiShenme.
Don't get confused. This one also got 什么, but this 什么 is not what. It's just a why, but in Chinese it say like 为什么?
What?
Sometimes
why?
the phrases that you use in Chinese, like 什么, it can be other meanings. So not necessary to means what. It can be like 为什么 means another meaning already lah. Why?
Why? Okay, so WuiShenme is why.
为什么?
WuiShenme.
Yeah, okay. Then the last word is when.
When?
什么时候?
Shenme. Shihou.
什么
Shenme.
时候?
Shihou.
This means when.
When? Shenme Shihou.
什么时候?
Shenme Shihou.
Okay, let's repeat all the words again. Start with what. What is?
Shenme.
Why?
WuiShenme.
When?
Shenme Shihou.
Yeah, you got it all correctly. Okay, Sri, now is your time to teach me how to speak Tamil.
Okay, so what, why, and when. Okay, how to say what is that you say Enna.
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 Enna
Alright.
is what?
Enna is what?
Okay.
So why is nya.
Nya.
Nya. It's a sound nya.
Just like animal sound. Nya.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
So when you okay, now you want to say when. When is what did you say? Eppe.
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 Yeppe.
Yeppe.
Sometimes it starts with Y, sometimes it starts with just E. So it's Eppe or Yeppe. So whatever comfortable with you, you can say.
So either one also can use.
Yes.
Eppe or Yeppe. I
Yeah.
go with Yeppe.
Alright. Okay, so you're gonna repeat back what I teach you. So what is what?
Enna.
What is why?
Why is
The sound.
yeah.
Nya.
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 So what is when?
When is Eppe or Yeppe?
Yes, you're right. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Okay, see you in lesson 5.
Bye.